systems. They are rewriting what's possible for Filipino entrepreneurs. Nobel laureate Robert Shiller reminds us that narratives are powerful. They shape behavior, and eventually they shape outcomes. And that's exactly what we're witnessing here. A new narrative where digitalization is not a barrier, but a bridge. We thank our partners from Citi and MCPI. Together, we've been supporting micro-entrepreneurs and microfinance institutions for over 23 years, even before digitalization became a thing. Congratulations to all our awardees. Thank you for showing us what the future story